In this video, I'll show you how to record credit card transactions in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so every card purchase lands in the right register and your reports stay accurate. From your dashboard, click the New button and choose Expense, since this form is built for recording purchases you paid right away. Add the payee, the vendor or merchant, and keep names consistent so searches and vendor reports stay clean. Next, choose the payment account and select the exact credit card you used. This is the step that ensures the transaction increases the correct card balance instead of hitting checking by mistake. Enter the purchase date from your receipt. Then complete the category details by selecting the right expense account like office supplies, software, meals, or travel, and add a clear description and amount. If you track items, projects, classes, or locations, fill those fields so reporting stays detailed and consistent, and add tax only if it applies to your setup. Before saving, do a quick check of payee, card account, date, category, and total, then click Save. If your card is connected to bank feeds, you can later match the imported charge to this entry to prevent duplicates. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that keep your books clean and stress-free.